Good day. Let's see. What was I actually planning on saying? This is absolutely a fantastic start. Absolutely. So why is that thing blinking? Why? I'm using like the Roland, the VT3 voice transmitter in combination with the lavalier mic. But you can make some preset settings, and those buttons, just because it's on standby, it's like on an idle. Maybe I can actually just show it. This is kind of weird, like it's not really user friendly. Like it's moving like back and forth, but I actually need to know if it's on bypass or not. So I need to press a button first before I know if it's on bypass.
No. Well. What?
Bypass. Now it's good. So you need to press it first, I think, to actually see like, is it okay? Well, okay. So many cables. So many cables. Let's throw this controller over there. I don't need the controller. I'm using like an well, I'm not even going to talk about it. Let's I can remove these. Don't need them. I know it's on bypass, and otherwise it's just gonna be super funny. So let's move these over there. So let's take a sip of coffee. What I'm actually doing again is, you know, as some of you might have already seen, in the last 2 days or so, I'm building a small thing for streaming and for Twitch. Why? Because it might be funny. So it's like a chicken thing. There might be sound. Let's see if there's sound. I actually do think that I need to click on it. So is there sound? I'm not hearing sound right now, so I might have to rebuild it again. Let's spawn a test chicken. So did I disable the sound? I might have. I hear, well, wait, what? There it is. Why wouldn't it work with only one chicken? 2 chickens. No, we have 4 chickens. It is very dangerous to have like a debug key to be able to spawn more chickens. Oh, there's a Betty Spaghetti chicken. Hello, Betty Spaghetti. Look at that. A purple chicken. What a majestic creature. Look at that. Moving to the right. There we go. Look at that. What is she doing now? Oh. So let's fight. There's no fighting yet, but we do have a lot of chickens right now, so I'm just able to spawn, you know, for testing, spawn a few more chickens. And now I'm actually wondering, because there's a rare chicken. It's kind of amazing that we haven't seen it yet. Yeah, they do move, and they have a little bit of path finding, and that's something that I just built like 15 minutes ago, or finished it up like a rough state. But why is there no rare chicken? There should be a rare chicken. Ah, yeah, there's a... Can you find the demon chicken? Yeah, there is. I see it. It's C chicken with a number 940. Oh my god. Excellent. Can I move? Can I enlarge this? Yeah, there we go. Well, this is also good, but I don't want the Photoshop. There we go. We can remove this. Look at all those chickens. Is the demon chicken moving or not? Let's see, are the other chickens moving? Some of them are, and some of them aren't. It might still be buggy though. You might not. Some don't. Some don't. No. Yeah, so that might be a slight issue then. Why? Right. Maybe because they can't find something like a real chicken. Yeah. Or maybe it just takes a while. The others are, well, they are in idle. They are not like walking around, so that means that they might not have found a path to walk on. Yeah, so the demon one is still not moving. Too many chickens could be. Could be. Let's see. That one is moving. There he goes. Or she. And it starts to move again. So now we have two chickens. They both move. Yeah. Three chickens. Yeah. 4 chickens. I think it's yeah. I think it has to do with them not finding a path, so it should not matter. Like once I think it goes wrong. Well, no. Let's observe the chickens. Don't be hasty. There we go. They still move. They all move, yeah. Let's spawn another one. It's also moving. Yeah. Yeah. Let's spawn another one. Yep. I might have to adjust something here then. Let's see. Can move that. Let's do this. Move. Let's see, here's a quick fix. The demons are moving. So far so good. I do think this one is not moving. Are you moving? No. Well, that one just went. That one is leaving. This one is moving, not moving. The number 308 and 603. It might just be me spawning too many at the same time though. Could be, could be. So when they spawn, let's get this. There we go. There. That could be shown a little bit better. There we go. Chickens are still going. Yeah, so 308 is still not moving. It's not really that bad though, but you know, it would be nice to figure out why it is not moving. So let's see, when the chicken has found like a pot, a timer starts and it will only play once. And on the timer, it will say chicken move. That is this one. Right. Wait, do they always walk in a proper direction? They do, huh? I don't know why. What I could do. So is there something, I've never really messed around too much with the pot finding. It can be a bit difficult. So let's at least remove this. And it is working now, so this might not be even needed at the moment, and we probably could just move this one over there instead of having the move one. And let's test this out. Right. Okay, yeah. Now let's keep it there. Because now it's not even moving at all. That one is moving. So wait, I actually do not know exactly why the chickens are looking in the proper direction. I don't know. It's fine with me. They're still moving, I think. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, they are moving, so that's okay. Let's close this window. Let's close Xbox. Yeah, new games. Final Fantasy VIII Remastered. Wow, 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 finally. Finally, I can play Final Fantasy VIII. So I might remove this. I no longer want the stop command. I will leave the destroy there disabled. Well, let's leave that there. So are they still moving? 237 is not moving. That is a difficult one to find out. Let's do this, and I need to go into the debug mode. There we are. I also need to see like what happens when you spawn too many chickens. And now the welcome back, Betty Spaghetti. Let's see. Do we see a chicken that is not moving? That one is moving. 886, 981. That one is moving. Which chicken is not moving? I think 496. Yeah, that chicken is moving. I think. Well, it seems like they are 486. Yeah, there's 486. What are you doing, 486? How? It's a yellow chicken. Now this is a bit difficult on my end. 486. Number 486. Still sitting there. 486. It doesn't have a... Look at the demon go. Yeah, the demon. There's the demon. 486 does not have a timer running. and it has no like position to move to. So it doesn't have a pad, it is not moving. So basically it's just stuck in the idle animation. So something goes wrong with the chicken and the chicken not being able to find a pod, and it's stuck there. Let's see if we can fix that. It's not actually what I wanted to do right now, but it could be fun to debug this. So I am also looking at a like a debug window that displays like some information, but I can't easily show it because it sometimes it displays like very secret data. No, it's just to make sure I can show it. So 486, how can I fix this? Like, let's go over the troubleshooting. Let's move this over here. So let's go over it. When we spawn a chicken, that's what happens there. In this case, it is a yellow chicken. We create an object, we move it to the top of the layer, we give it a name, check. It has a name, 486, that's correct. And it also has a type, it is yellow, that is correct. And we start a timer, idle, 1 second. We do that once. But we also immediately say, okay, I think I found a bug. Because this should be yellow, no, just chicken name. And this is purple, this is demon. So what we're saying here is start the timer for idle, and that's this here, where we say, hey, chicken, move with the chicken name. But we also say move. So we probably could disable these because we start an actual timer with the idle first. So let's they first go into the idle state for just a second, a timer runs, and then they will go into the pathfinding mode, and once they find a path, they will walk. But with the error, the name would be sent along of a purple chicken, but they are not like the purple chicken. So this is probably the issue. Maybe. 880 is walking. 174. Is that chicken walking? That one here? Yeah. We should just make like find the chicken that is like the special chicken, like the odd one out of 1,000 chickens, like find Wally. So far 190, yeah, that chicken is moving. 200, this one is not moving. 200, the one on the right in the middle right. No, on the right in the middle. 200, chicken, you are not doing your job. Yeah, that one is still sitting around. Chicken. Oh man, this is difficult. 200. 5 to 7. 200. Is not moving, doesn't have a path. It does have a X and Y position where it should move to. So why is it not doing anything? Angle of motion. And no timer is running. This might be like a similar bug, but the same bug. Is 444 moving? I don't think 444 is moving. Lazy chicken. Oh man. So let's check this again. We started the timer, idle name tape, chicken purple, timer idle, and I like debugging. It's a slow process, but it's something that it is annoying when it is not working as intended, but the problem solving, like I hate puzzles, but I like debugging. Like debugging is just finding out the solution and thinking about new solutions, and once it works, it's very nice. I don't like well, it's really good you like it. Yeah, it's something that I really like. I really like doing it. And what I also like with programming is finding out, like, creating the systems to improve it, make it more efficient, to yeah, to make those systems work. Like, how can we use this for multiple applications and such. So chicken C200, you have been declared obsolete. You are not doing the thing that you're supposed to be doing. You get a X and Y position though. So it goes into the path finding, that's like listed here. Once it's initiated, I pick out a random number. Can actually remove this. Then it is selected, and that is something that has occurred with C200 because it has an X and a Y position. And then it will find a path with the position X and Y, and it sets itself mirrored or not mirrored. And well, let's see, this one could also go here, I think. And chicken on path found, it will set the animation to walk, but that is something that is not happening with 200 because it's still in the idle. So it probably failed to find a path. Let's add a small thing. Chicken field and chicken name. I'm gonna add something that only I can see in the debug, but chicken name. Yeah. Let's see if it goes over and over again, like in the path finding. Because for the chickens that are finding like a path, they will go into the animation of walking, and the C200 is not doing that, so it probably goes to this one, and it will go over the path ini again. NFM's chicken name. Yeah, is there something else that you can also do with the pathfinding? Yeah, let's test this out. I have a small debug window right here, or a log entry that will show probably once a chicken is not finding a pod if that is actually working or not. C57 is not moving. It's weird giving the chicken names or numbers. The chicken C57. So it is not something really that has to do with the amount of chickens that we have. This is weird because I'm not seeing on my end like a pop-up that they haven't found a pod. Even though I just made it. Like it is going to, let's scroll down a little bit, like it will log in a console like chicken field and then its chicken name. And it's still sitting there. Lazy chicken. That lazy chicken. What can I do to fix that? Chicken. Why is it not moving then? It is enabled. It has an X and a Y position. What is happening? Is it still sitting there? Yeah. On pod finding a pod field. I am not seeing any entries of no chicken not finding a pod. This is gonna go crazy on my end. See, the difficulty is that you have so many chickens like going on that is kind of difficult to see like what the problem is. So that chicken arrived. Let's spawn another one. 751 arrived on its pod or its destination. 995. Yeah. So far they are doing their thing. I will spawn 2 at the same time, like quick. That is also not the issue. I still see that they all arrive at their destination. Is there a chicken like not moving anymore or 464? No? 105 is moving. And otherwise I will check this later. Because I do not know why. I'm watching you, chickens. 108? No. Which one did I spawn? 464? 60? Yo? 876. Maybe the problem occurs when there are different, like the purple ones on the field. 184 is moving, yes. Oh my god. Welcome to game development. Oh. Now it's 893 there on the right middle, not moving. Yeah, 893. Like I could check something else. 893. Like when did it? No, it's not in the list. How can I do this? 893. It would also be good to see like if a chicken is like a newly spawned chicken. I will check this chicken once more. Like 893. Is this 893? Is probably the last chicken that I spawned, or the last yellow chicken at least. Interesting. Let's. Well, I don't know. Maybe maybe I will find. I will check this later. Let's. Oh no! Damn it. There we go. I will just spawn 5 chickens. Let them running around. Let them run around, and let's see what they do. Maybe they will stop moving with just 5, like a small sample, and then we can actually see if the problem is like maybe with having too many chickens, or at some point they will just stop walking, because that could also be the case. So I have the debug open, I can close this one, and let's make a new so we could maybe make some grass, or maybe a new chicken color. Let's just make a quick chicken. Can I keep this game running? No. Then I have to move it here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And then if I go to Photoshop, it still is running. Absolutely fantastic. So what color would be nice? Like maybe a pink one or something, or like a green. Let's just color this in, and then what we could do is just, oh, scary eyes. Scary eyes chicken. Let's see if we can find a nice color. Like a very green one. Kind of like this. Just having like a green chicken. Maybe we can make a yeah, let's create a green chicken, but not with the scary eyes. So just black eyes. They are black eyes, right? Yeah, it's a toxic sludge. That could be good. Are the chickens still moving? Yeah. It might be the case that it's maybe too many chickens. Yeah. We will we will observe them. Yeah. So the green is kind of nice. Maybe let's see. Can we like change it up a little bit? Let's add some color balance. Normally this is not the way how I color things, or normally I do use the color balance and hue to color things, but my approach is normally a tad different. Maybe yeah, I kind of like this green. I kind of like that. Yeah. That one might fade away too much in the background though. So it's a stealth chicken. I don't know if this is a good thing. So let's move it down. We have the red. Yeah, maybe just a blue one. You know, could I change the shadow maybe to a bit of a purple? Like this is not normally how I would draw. Like purple, I would most certainly do that in a different manner. I kind of like this. Just can I select this? Yeah, kind of like dark purple. Yeah. 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 A little bit dark purple, bluish. I kind of like this. I kind of like it. It's kind of nice with the red. So what we could do, let's duplicate this. Well, let's just duplicate all of this. And how can we do this? Let's remove all of this and just select these colors. Yeah. Use the paint bucket. There we go. Blue. Nope. Blue. Oh yeah, and we should not forget the eyes. There we go. Yeah. Chicken. Boom. Chicken. And another. There we go. So this is the walk. Let's export this one. This is, let's just call it like blue. This is the blue chicken. Yeah, are the chickens still moving? C66? Yeah, C6. They are all moving. Very good. And now let's adjust the idle one. Yep. There we go. Nope, not the outline. There we go. I do want to have more chickens, but let's also make a bit of grass for on the field, something that animates, just to make it a little bit more lively. I also want to make a new camera, like a camera that kind of sways back and forth. And then if we add some, you know, some nice like wind sound on the background, like have the chill effect of a nice chicken farm, that would be lovely. So let's call this one blue and export it, and let's just save. There we go. Let's go into this. Pickups. So one other thing that I did with this magnificent game is that I created something that will spawn those rocks and the little bushes, and it's random. It's randomized. So that's kind of nice. I can just add more environment to it and also make it so that the chickens don't immediately spawn like on the environment itself. So that's kind of nice. I did that off stream. What was I doing? Cloning chickens and creating more chickens. So this is the idle. There we go. And then add the other idle. It's kind of easy to add new chickens, which is always good. You know, such a complicated process. All these chickens. Let's, you know, yeah, there we go. Now we have a blue chicken. Let's add the blue chicken to the spawn list. Should the blue chicken be more rarer or more common than the purple one, or less common? I think like a blue should be like, maybe it should be yellow, blue, purple, and then demon. That's my first instinct. Yeah. So let's then go with it. Man, I can do everything. That's awesome. So the purple or the demon one from the total list, like right now I have yellow, like 75 yellows are added to the list, like for the rarity, and then we have 25 purple and 5 demon. So I think I will do 15. No, yeah, 15 purple and do 25 blue. Yeah. And it should be rather easy to, let's enlarge this again. Bam. So where are the chickens? There we go. And it's somewhat easy to add new chickens in the mix. So I solely have to select these, replace it, replace the, well, something is not chicken demon. All right, okay. We need to replace the chicken demon with the chicken 2, and that should be the blue one. I'm gonna rename the blue chicken blue. Let's they are still moving, huh? 700 is moving, yeah. Very good, 700. Do your thing. Let's press play. Oh, yeah, right, error. That's okay. Let's add the blue chicken. Let's press play again. There's a blue one. Oh no, it's flying. Why is it flying? Oh no, what is it doing? Let's change that. Chicken. Cell size 8. Max speed. Rotate object. No. Diagonals. Disabled. I don't quite know why something is messed up with that animation though. Because it's not something that happens on my end. Well, it is with the idle. Here's the idle. That is really, really weird. That is Photoshop doing that. Why is it doing that? I hate it. I hate it. It's really weird that it's doing that. Wait. I think something else might also be messed up. Yeah. There we go. Fix that. Yep. Just a few pixels that are not correct. Nope. Yep. Yep. Yeah, there we go. It should be. Nope, that is not the correct. There we go. Chickens. So we have some purple ones, we have some blue ones, yellow ones, and just a few demon ones. So is the demon one also like bugging out with the pixel? No. Yeah. There you go, little chickens. Yeah, very cool, very cool. I wanted to make like a little bit of grass. Why is it displaying that? Construct. Right, there we go. That's a proper window. So I actually made an egg. That might still be a little bit too difficult to fix. So that means we should actually do that right now. Make the egg. No animation, but just have an egg spawn first, and then have a timer run out, and then let the chicken appear. Yeah, that would be funny. I like the different colored chickens. They're kind of like the chocobos. Yeah. Okay. So what I could do is fix the egg, like have an egg spawn first, and then hatch the chicken, or create some environment stuff. Let's see, what would it take to actually spawn an egg first? So if we have the chicken one, let's yeah, let's just call this egg. So we have the egg, and it would be wise to change this up a little bit. How can I do this in a normal way? So what I'm gonna do is just copy and paste the chicken for backup, and just keep this spawn because this is all good, you know. Different kind of audio should play, of course. We are adding the user, but we're not gonna do this. We are simply going to add spawn an egg. Let's just try that first. So we need to add an object, chicken egg. Ooh, did I save the chicken egg already? I think I did. Here. So let's save that. Where did I save it to? Save as PNG. There we go. Chicken egg. Egg. So the egg, like how it looks, you know, it doesn't really matter right now. Should look like decent. But it's not the focus. So let's move this over and add the egg over there. Now what? Let's go to the chicken again. Let's see. Yeah, that's you can actually see that. So let's give an egg a name. Let's also give the egg already. So before the egg hatches, it already knows like this is gonna be this type of egg. So that's good. You know, that's good. That's actually very good. So let's replace the yellow chicken with the chicken egg. And now, like, nothing is gonna happen at all. So we're gonna run the layout, and we will probably just see eggs. You know, we are gonna add like a nice animation for the eggs, like they wobble a little bit or like have a different type of sound. So that should be good. And then have a timer run. Maybe have a timer run, or you know, they all hatch at the same time. But that's something for later. Or now let's just for now add the timer so that we can actually test it out. So add a timer and a chicken egg timer. Just let's have a 2 second and then hatch. Chicken egg on the timer. Hatch. Let's move that up. Chicken hatch. So once it hatches, it will actually call chicken hatch with the chicken egg dot name. There we go. Let's save this. Yeah, I know. That Windows update is something else. So we have the egg. We're gonna cut this and then function is equal to hatch. We are gonna place this one below that. And we need to do that hatch the egg name. So from here we will pick by evaluate chicken egg dot name is equal to. This is really the most stupid project I ever worked on, and that's saying a lot because I made some really stupid prototypes. So we're like on the timer hatch, we're gonna call the chicken egg name, so we know which chicken egg is hatching. And based on that, we should check the chicken egg, compare it, and compare the type. Is that like, we need to see which type of egg it is. And we have like the demon. And we now do have the blue one. Let's move the blue one up there. And now we can actually move this one over there. Move the purple one over there. Move the demon one over there. And the blue one there. Choom, 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 choom. Let's save. And we need to change this to the chicken egg dot x location and the y location. See, that's the nice thing about having the egg first and then the chicken, is because you know like the chicken x and y position, so you, well, we need to change that. I do think we need to change a few other things though, but you know. So no, don't remove that. There we go. How late is it? 4:30. It might so happen that my doorbell will go off And when that happens, I have to go for 15 minutes. Because that means my groceries are here. So let's go over this. Nothing really has changed that much, but we just created the egg in the beginning, and the egg already gets the name of the player and the type of egg, similar to like how this worked with the spawning. As we can see here, this type should be different though. Chicken, why is the type yellow? Oh no. Shoot. That is not correct. Because it's the param 2 chicken spawn. This should be. And now the egg will get a name from the egg. The egg will get a name from the from that, and 2 is a type, and it will take 2 seconds to hatch an egg. And let's see if this works. You know, let's spawn one egg, and there's a chicken. And the egg should like maybe explode or be destroyed. So let's destroy the egg after hatching. Like, let's do it properly. Like, we will make at some point like an idle animation for the egg that will just loop around till the timer runs out. And we will create like a destroy animation that will make the egg like explode. So after the egg is hatched, I removed the game. Oh, that's okay, but you know, I don't want to hear the chickens. There we go. After the hatching is done or is called, we will chicken egg just play, set the animation to destroy, and then egg. When it is finished, the egg is just gonna like be destroyed. Well, no, I chose the wrong animation. Destroy. Did I say also play egg or play destroy? Can I remove these things? Create the egg, hatch, play animation, destroy. There we go. You know, it's not the nicest animation, but it's good that that is already there, and then later on we can actually fine tune it. That's cool, right? So you have a blue one. The nice thing with the egg hatching is that if you want to go crazy, you can actually like have some different sound effects, have some different kind of effects, like when it actually hatches, like created like an explosion, like maybe you have some fireworks, but you can make something else that spawns like a certain particle, maybe based on the chicken egg that's in there, or like based on the egg type that's in there. So that's fun. That's fun, right? Well, I need to go to the toilet real quick, so enjoy the chickens. Be right back. Ooh. Oh. So what let's see, what can we actually do? We have the egg hatching, and what I want to do is actually store maybe store user data, so that once you have hatched an egg, this is, and the type of chicken that you have is like the chicken that you have, nothing else. So that if I spawn one and I get like the purple chicken, then from that point on I will always have the purple chicken. Of course we can create something that will change the chicken that you have, but I want to store for each user which chicken they have. Right, that's gonna be fun. So what I'm gonna do is, from the get-go, when we create the chicken egg, we actually do know we are adding the user to something already, like a database. User add, let's see, that's on a different, where is it listed? The user add. Let's see. Item. Oh yeah, I completely forgot we had built something for the item spawning. That's right, I disabled that. That's funny. Go to debug. Let's move this one to the system. Let's include the system. Let's show the system. So we don't have a lot going on here. As I mentioned, we're gonna call the user like a function user add. We're gonna send in the username, and function param2 is the chicken type. So we're already like pushing the array in a player spawn, like we're pushing in the username, and that way, hey Leeward, apologies, I wasn't like reading the chat that much. How are you doing? Chicken, there's a Leeward, you got a blue chicken. The blue chicken is kind of common, but it's more special than the yellow one. What are blue chickens? No, you would win if you get like a demon chicken. A demon chicken has like the lowest spawn rate of them all. And the blue chicken, it's just a skin. It doesn't necessarily do anything special right now. But it could do something special. And if you did I win? Well, does it feel like you won? Do you feel like, wow, I got a blue chicken? Is that the chicken that you wanted? then you won, Leeward. Congrats, you won. You won the game. So, let's see. All right, okay. I will add something. So, user add. So we're adding the username solely to the player spawn list so that you can't type chicken twice. So if it's already like on the field, then it's on the field, you know. And what else could I do with that? I wanted to create like a profile for the user, and I'm not sure like how I'm gonna do that. Well, I have some ideas like on how to do that, but in my mind it's the first time that I'm building actually like user profiles, so we can use a dictionary for that. And yeah, let's like add a key and then add a key with the name of the user, and then that value simply has the type of the chicken. Yeah, that's basically it. But we don't want to change that always. So we need to check if it has the key of the user. So in that sense, by making a profile, we probably don't need the array anymore, but the array is useful. Well, no, we do need the array because the array is just for joining the game, and the dictionary is used for always. Like it should be stored on my PC, and that way we should not use the dictionary to check if someone can spawn or not. That's it. It should just solely contain the data of that user. Yeah. So what we could do, oh man, you know, I'm just trying to do this on the fly. So we're gonna check first. We ASCII nulls. Yeah, this could be good. This could be good because here we are checking if a player has spawned. Because here we're checking like the array if the array has the username or not. If it doesn't contain that value, it will spawn a chicken. But we're gonna do something else. I am gonna do this because this will select a skin from the array, but that is only something that we need for people that have never joined and hatched an egg in the game. Right. Whew. So we're gonna call a function within the function. We're gonna call user. Gonna send along the username. Yeah. So this, before we actually spawn it, we are gonna call. I need to add something else. The check. We're gonna insert the check one, and then check that user. And what happens is with the check, we're gonna check if the user has a profile, and if it has a profile, we are gonna. Oh my god! We're gonna return a value, and that is the value that is in the value of what is stored in the dictionary key of the user, or else. Oh my god, this has become something like a tutorial. I don't know. So with the check, has the dictionary a key with the username? Yes, it will send that value that is in the key back to the spawning function. If it does not have a key with a username, it will return a value that's actually like a random from that array of all the chickens that are spawned. And that way, we have a like a profile in a certain sense. So we need to disable this. So in this sense, it will always hatch an egg first, which should be okay, but you know which chicken you're getting. So I'm gonna test this out, and I'm gonna create a new debug one. Let's just call it with the key v. We're gonna spawn. Damn, I need to save the data. That's gonna be complicated though. Because otherwise, if I close it down, that data is stored or lost. I need to add something like the local storage. Oh my god. Add. There we go. Chicken type. Oh my god. Would be nice if this works though. So what I'm gonna do is whenever we create a new profile, I am gonna store I'm gonna store the user data, and I am not sure if this is gonna work. And every time before we actually load the game, so I need to create a function setup and load. What am I using setup for? Yeah, let's not touch that one. Touch that. Let's just make a function like load. Load user data. That's always the funny thing with creating prototypes or like a game. It snowballs, and it snowballs like at a super rapid pace. Because you think, well, yeah, I can store the data, and well, you know, then I can check if the user already created something. But then it's kind of like, well, what if I close the program? Where do I store that data again? And you're like, okay, let's store the data like locally. But then it's like, well, how do I load the data when I boot up the program? And what happens if I accidentally close the program again? Hey, the liver chicken is not moving anymore. So chickens do stop after a certain amount of time. Oh. So yeah, it can snowball a little bit, which is totally fine, but dictionary load. Nope. How does this work again? I need to do this differently. Local storage. Get item. No. User data. And then local storage. On item get user data. Item value. Oh my god. This might work. I should maybe create a debug save key. Call function save user data. Okay, I can do this. I did not think I would do this on my Saturday. I like it though, but I thought I would build some other things first. But this is like kind of important to have. So save. So we're checking here. Function, call function, save user data, and then set item. There we go. So this calls user data or save and a user data, and then in a different file we're gonna store like the all the data from the dictionary in a like a local storage kind of deal. I need to switch to this window and then do this, and then I can switch back because I need to debug. What do we have? What do we have? Have I been already streaming for 1 hour and 30 minutes? Oh my god. That's totally okay though, but it goes so fast time. I lose track of time when I'm doing this kind of stuff because I really do enjoy it. So let's not create random chickens, but I'm gonna create a chicken on my own. There's a chicken and it's a blue chicken. And then I need to check on my end if the dictionary has my profile and if the storage, like the save data, has my profile right now. So if that works, then the next time that I'm pressing !chicken, I should get a blue chicken. It should, but you know, you never know. Stuff never works. So let's check the dictionary first. Lady Spaghetti has a purple chicken. Okay, that's thanks. Let's check the dictionary. Doom, 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 doom. Where is the dictionary? The user data. I am Scaffa says blue. That's correct. Lady Spaghetti, purple. That's correct. So far, so good. Like, the data is stored in the dictionary. Now, the local dictionary has the data of I am Scaffa blue and Betty Spaghetti purple. So that's okay. So I'm gonna restart the project and I'm gonna check the dictionary. Oh my god, this might actually work. Chicken. Nothing. Shit. There's no chicken. Where did the chicken go? Oh no, where did the chicken go? It didn't spawn any chicken. But if I restart it, though, this might actually work. It did not. No, it works in a certain sense, though, that I actually have the data in over here that it says I'm Scaffa is blue and Betty Spaghetti is purple. So it is stored, but something goes wrong when spawning the chicken. So we need to check this. So it did spawn like a chicken egg. It did spawn a chicken egg. So why didn't it get... Maybe chicken spawn. We call the function user check. User, and I check if it has that key. Yeah, it might not return the proper value. So let's just get the key. Because the egg hatching worked with in the beginning though, so I think it returned a value of 0. Chances are high it returned a value of 0. Chicken? There we go, a blue chicken. Oh my god. It is actually working. Probably. So It works. Wow, amazing. So I'm sorry, Betty Spaghetti, but you're stuck with the purple chicken, which is a rare chicken though. So that's actually good. That is actually good. And I think the nice thing is like, of course you should have like a save option. Next you go demon. I can change it for you if you want a demon chicken. I have that power. I have the power to make you a demon chicken. I actually have the power to make you a chicken that is not on the list. You go on luck? Okay, I like it. Respect. A lot of respect. You go on luck. But yeah, I can create VIP chickens. Like that is gonna be even more awesome. Oh my god, I'm so happy that the profile, well, it should be expanded a little bit more, but what we could actually do is store like more data, if you have like gathered some food or if you have like experience. But the most important part is that we just have the username and the chicken type. Yeah, I love it. That is very cool. Look at them. Look at them walk. Wow. Wow. Making so much progress. It is weird though that they don't make any sounds right now. Ah, Libri's got the yellow chicken. That's not a well, I like the yellow chicken though. It's the original chicken. This is cool. I like it. I want to make more chickens. You're a pleb. Yeah, it's stored now forever. Yeah, I can never change it. Can never change it. It's stored now forever. So let's check if Leeward is in the yeah. So you're in the profile, so that's good. So let's see, what can I do? What can I do? It would be kind of nice if the chicken, if you like touch a stone or like a bush, that you stop walking and that you mine it or like collect it. That would be funny. Man, I like these chickens. I don't know what it is, but it's very relaxing to look at. So based on the look, let's create something that we do need to make it a little bit nicer looking though. Is let's make a camera and introduce a small, like just some slight movement maybe, or just at least have the ability to zoom in or do some funky stuff. Why is there a fly here? Come on, man, move. There you go. We have a camera object. Oh man, I really do like that the profile thing is working. I wonder what kind of data we could actually store, like maybe date of birth, the food, like how much food you have gathered, like how much rock level. Here. Look at them. Majestic beings. Man, I can look at it for hours. Maybe just an hour. Not for hours, but let's fix a camera. Where am I gonna put the camera object? Let's build something here. Hey, the Payme. Oh, the Payme got a purple chicken. How are you doing, the Payme? You don't mind the purple. That's good. We just created like a user profile. So if I exit the chicken thing and you spawn a new chicken again, you get the purple chicken. Stroomkabel has been streaming for 3 hours without game audio. Ow. Hey, Queenie. Well, if you want purple, you need to spawn a chicken first, Queenie. And if you are lucky, you might get a purple chicken, but I can't promise you anything. Let's see if we can enlarge this a little bit for everyone to see. No, wait, Queenie, this is a big moment. Let's wait, let's full screen this. Or almost full screen it. You're a yellow chicken. I'm sorry. You're stuck with it. You can't change it anymore. Always the yellow chicken. Yep. You're not the only casual anymore. There is a special demon chicken, by the way. So it would have been nice if you had the demon chicken. At least I'm a blue one. It's kind of funny that there are 2 purple ones. Now you can't destroy anymore. Yes. And it was just a little bit too early because I just made user profiles. Yeah. I could change it though. I could. But the question is more like, do I want to? Well, we will see the demon chicken when they spawn. Yeah, well, with some luck. I'm using a lavalier mic for this stuff, so that it's a little bit easier to you know, type and do things and think. So yeah, let's wait. Let's hear it. Let's. There we go. You just gotta come to Scuffer Scheme more often to get more chickens. Oh, for sure. What I can actually do, I'm not gonna do that because it might break, but I can spawn as many chickens as I want to. No, the Payme, you can only spawn 1 chicken. I have the power to spawn more chickens. Because, you know, I am the chicken master. Yeah, I need to build something though that I can change the chicken easier from my end, but that's cheating. Maybe you need to donate, and then I will maybe change it. Oh, that would be nasty. Like donation, you will get a new egg, and just a new chance of getting a new chicken. The new whatchamacallit, the microtransaction thing. This is Kaffa speedrun of game, master puzzle person, spawn of chicken, wear of pantoffels. Oh, for sure. Like, I have my pantoffels right here. A master of economics and RNG. Oh man, for sure. So, are there any suggestions for other type of chickens for new people? Like, you're stuck with these chickens. So, what was I actually gonna build? I have the egg spawning, I have the user profiles. I wanted to create some grass. I was working on a camera. Yeah, it would be nice, like a camera. You want a gender neutral chicken. They pay me, I'm never going to spawn a chicken again. Well, I have the power to spawn your chicken, and so that everybody can see, well, you have a purple one. You have a purple one. That's a good chicken. The silken chicken. That's a blick. Yeah, well, we have the demon chicken already, so. You want the demon one. Let's see. Can I change it from my end? Those are really rare. Well, what do you mean that is a good chicken? Also chicken with cat ears, that would be funny. My chicken is the best. The pay me, do you want to see like the demon chicken, or you can be a demon chicken. But only for testing. Only for testing. I'm gonna remember that you're the purple chicken. But so I'm gonna do this, and oh no, that is not working. No, I can change it right now. Nope, I can't. You have always been the demon chicken. I will change it some other time. I sadly can't do it right now. What I can do though is make a camera. So let's create a camera. You know what? Let's also check our list of nodes. Can I still show the nodes? I had it somewhere. Notepad. There we go. Here are the nodes. Like someone wanted the command poop. We have the egg hatching, so that can go. We don't have the chicken coop. We have, in a certain sense, like collectibles. I'm not sure if the fox is gonna be built. What I can do though is build a VIP list. I actually made yesterday a VIP list of that only some people were allowed to make chicken noises. Yep. So we do, and I actually wanted to spawn mines on a field. You want to make a sound? I can do that. I can do that. Array, well, is it users? Then only a drumstick remains. Yeah, maybe the other chickens can collect that. No, poop is not built yet. Poop would be funny for VIP. Like you get like a small turd. It says so on the screen. You know, I need to build it. Already mayhem. Okay, let's go over the list. I was going over the list and I will build the camera. So we have the VIP in a certain sense. I do need to build a god chicken. I have built the demon chicken, but they are mostly the same. I do want to make some grass. We have rocks, and we do have skin rarity. Good luck with the dinner, Queenie. I will probably just continue like for 40 minutes because my groceries will arrive soon, I hope. Leeward, can we make it so eggs spawn out of pre-existing chickens? Well, I was thinking about maybe if you collect something that you will get like an egg, but maybe that egg is just like something like it will spawn maybe an item or something, you know, like or maybe like a cosmetic type of deal. Yesterday we were also talking about having chicken armor, you know, for battle. But I still need to build that. So I'm just building some basic things right now. But I do think the poop command is kind of important though. So I will add that to the list already. Chicken poop. Yeah, you were there, yeah, for the chicken armor, yeah. But I do think we it should be able to or we should be able to, you know, have an egg spawn in a certain way. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so we have the chicken poop command. I am quickly gonna make, or not quickly, but I need to make the camera. Call 2 on start of layout. Just enable the camera. Let's. Do you know the Spaniard hat? No. What is that? Is that like a hat with a like the kind of like a pirate, but with the big feather, like the Three Musketeers? Is that like a Spaniard hat, or is it something very nasty? Make a parrot-colored chicken. Parrot. You mean like with multiple colors? You need to go as well and help Queenie with making food. RGB chicken. Oh, I will definitely make an RGB chicken. Good luck with making food. I'm gonna stream for like maybe 30 minutes or so and also eat something. It's a piece of metal helmet. Oh, really? Right. Well, that could be a bit tricky to do though. Spaniard hat. I'm gonna look it up. Right. That one. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I see. Yeah, you can post links, but I do think no, it's not showing. But I know the helmet. It's like kind of round, but it has like the pointy thing and like the sides. Yeah. So let's see. We're here. Let's on function. The crest of a chicken. That's cool. You know, it could be possible to make something like that, but because the challenge is because the chicken is so small, there are not like a lot of pixels to work with. So it could be possible, but it will take a bit of time to make a proper helmet, especially a helmet with those kind of features. It's not impossible, but I'm not really that skilled with like low res pixel art things. I will try to make one. I'm already happy that we have like a profile thing going on right now. So let's enable the camera. We do need to set the camera, set position. Would it, well, it would be easier than making full armor if the pickup is made. Oh yeah, for sure. I think if something would change, it would be just like an helmet, but maybe just a helmet like on top, or maybe just a little bit like a visor type of deal. Don't think it's impossible, but I just need to look. There's some room to make the chicken. I can actually, like if you have the chicken like this, so the like this is 16 by 16, right? So you do have some room to make like an helmet type of deal, but it would be like very small. Like you can only use this amount of space. Maybe let's see if we can. Like the helmet would be kind of looking like this. Maybe have the visor type of thing and raise this up for a bit, maybe. Actually, I think this would almost work. Like have some, you know, it could be a little bit different, but you know, there's not a lot of space to work with, which is fine. But where am I? Here's construct. So the camera, we are building a camera. Let's instance. No. Let's give the camera a slight movement. Let's see. Period offset. Maybe just one. Vertical movement, so it kind of like just sways back and forth. That should be possible. Let's do this. This might look a bit funky. Yeah, this is okay. So that little square is gonna be the camera, but it's not working right now due to the scrolling. So it's a little moving a little bit too much though, but we need to increase the layout. What can we do? There we go. And then I also need to change something else. Layer. Map. This might break like everything, but that's okay. 720 divided by 8 is 90. I need to create a new background. 90. There we go. Is this in the middle? No. Very difficult to see. Should go one to the left. You know, 1 second. Yeah, this is never gonna be like. No, let's do this. And no. Here we go. I need to create like a bigger map. Like now, currently, it's like the map is on a small square. And if this works, it should look a little bit better. Yo, there we go. And still with the larger sprite, the spawns should work. That's always a good sign if you say, well, it should work. Let's see if the chicken spawning still. There's a blue chicken. There we go. It looks a bit, oh yeah, pixelated, but that's obvious. There's the purple Betty Spaghetti. So the size of the stage has been increased by a lot. You can't see this, but just imagine like there's a lot of like water on the sides of the stage right now instead of a small square. And we should change the camera just for a little bit. It doesn't have to. Why are you yellow? Weren't you a yellow one before? You were a yellow one, Leeward. Right? Yeah. Because I'm storing the data right now. You will always get a yellow one. Unless I remove the data. It's for testing. Yeah, it is permanently saved that way. I can change it though. But that is something that it just made. So the idea is that if you have like an egg and it hatches, that is the chicken that you have. And maybe you need to do something else, like maybe defeat a chicken to change color or whatever. But it's permanently saved right now. Yeah. So that means that I'm also stuck with blue, and I'm not like the demon chicken. Sadly. I need to hack your PC and give my profile a better skin. Yeah? I can change it. No worries. Let's see. So we have the camera, but I need to adjust the sway. You don't care? Well, I care. The magnitude should be a little bit less. Maybe like 5. It would be nice if we could maybe cycle between the chickens, that you can actually zoom in to a specific chicken. How would we do that? Chicken. We have a list of chickens. Let's put the camera that zoomed in. Yeah, I'm trying to think what the best approach would be to do that. It moves to the chicken, yeah. But I think that only certain people should be able to do that. But let's make the camera zoom first, and then, well, I have like 20 minutes left. So let's make something basic first, so that it just automatically cycles. On timer, camera zoom. Let's just make something, and this will just call. And this will array. Well, wait. System. Pick a random instance. Let's just pick a random instance of the chickens. And set the camera to that chicken. There we go. And what it should do is layout, system, set the layer scale maybe to just 2 for testing. And what I'm gonna do, here's main. Just have the system timer. Camera zoom, like for every 5 seconds. It will probably zoom in and out. I can actually keyboard on key pressed. Maybe have it so like and if you press 2, it will start. just every 5 seconds, like camera zoom. And what I need to do is with this one, just set the layout scale to 1. And with the debug, yeah, let's camera zoom, camera ini, so we can remove this. That will stop the timer. Am I doing that correctly? So main. Well, we do not need the camera zoom actually. No. Let's test this out. I don't know what it does. Let's on the chicken. And then 1 is the normal camera and 2 is the zoom. Right. Yeah, it doesn't follow the chicken yet. So what we need to do is actually have an action for camera to determine what it is actually doing. Oh, why did it click it away? Action, follow, and instance. Name. To the fam chicken dot name is follow. Then click by evaluate chicken dot name is equal to the this camera dot name. Now we can do this. It's not the nicest follow there is, but just for testing, with a follow you mostly want to have something like a lerp. So let's do this. Now we have a chicken over there. Let's press 2. I am not following the chicken. Because I did not set the action of the camera to follow. Chicken. Yeah, and press 2. There we go. Oh man, that's cute, man. I like it. And then I can press 2 and it will cycle the chickens. That is very funny. And 1, it will still follow, but it's a slight error from my end. Chicken cam. That is very funny. I like it. So when we do the initial, just set this one to idle, the action to idle. Let's save this. What do I want? Is just a lerp. Do I need to put in the camera's direction first? Self.x. I always forget like how to do a proper lerp, and I need to check the prior code to see if I am doing it right. So let's just test this out. And I also need to maybe do this one and spawn I am Scuffer Chicken, so I don't have to type in the chat. Let's play. Let's press C. There's me. So with the camera lerp, you have like a small or like a slow moving, like a smooth moving camera, but it can be a bit faster though, of course. Let's up the speed just to 1. Maybe the just having the static camera is better, and not the lerp. I need to change this again. Again, it's faster, but I like some smoothing. See, that's already like way better, but it's kind of like it smooths out for a little bit. And if I press 1, it's back to normal in the center. And 2 is a zoom. Yeah, I love it. There's Betty Spaghetti. Yeah, I think that is also gonna do it from my end. My groceries will be here. So let's switch to this. Let's enlarge it a little bit. There we go. Very nice. We got some chickens. I'm hidden behind the chickens. Yeah, this is a fun project. I think it's starting to look like something, which is good. Oh, there are my groceries. Be right back, or I'm gonna end the stream. Bye. Well, apologies for throwing the mic. I need to end the stream. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Chicken time. No, I don't have any chicken for dinner. Maybe someday. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Thanks for hanging out. Chickens.